community members, Miss DJ Finstermaker. She has organized our scout troops to bring the colors down. And when they come down, students, we are going to be so respectful, quiet. And then after the colors are posted, listen for directions and you will hear them say, "Join me in the Pledge of Allegiance." You'll know what to do. Then after that, we will sing the Star Spangled Banner, and then we'll sing your grand old flag. Will you be ready?
Yeah!
Say, "We got this!"
We got it! That makes a lot of sense of it. I hear it.
Mr. Ricky Garibay. Give him a hand, everybody.
Attention, please rise. Color Guard, advance. Hand salute. Please say with me the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. 2. Color Guard, post the colors. Color Guard, dismissed.
Whose broad stripes and bright stars